Hello everyone. Welcome back. My name is Anna. Do not translate. Do not think of Thai words. Just look at the pictures in your mind. Today, it is a very crazy day. Right now, I am walking back to my house. I just finished my delicious iced latte and my chocolate donut at the coffee shop. The sun is hot. The sky is blue. I feel very happy. I walk up to my green front door. I take out my keys from my bag. I put the key in the door. I turn it. Open. I step inside my house. I smell something sweet, like vanilla. But then, I look down at the floor. Oh my goodness. Oh no. The floor is not clean. There is white powder everywhere. What is this? I kneel down. I touch it with my finger. It is very soft. It is flour. White cooking flour. It looks like white snow inside my living room. Then, I look at the sofa. My beautiful blue pillows are not on the sofa. They are on the floor. One pillow is completely open. Soft white feathers are flying in the air. The living room is a big mess. It looks like a storm came inside my house. I call my cat. Leo. Leo, where are you? No sound. The house is very quiet. Usually, Leo is waiting at the door. He usually says meow and asks for food. But today, he is not here. I walk into the kitchen. Oh, wow. The kitchen cabinets are open. A big paper bag of flour is on the floor. It is completely empty. I look closely at the white flour on the kitchen floor. I see small animal footprints. 4 legs. Little toes. Yes, they are cat footprints. Leo did this. Leo made this big mess. But where is he now? I look under the kitchen table. No Leo. I look behind the big refrigerator. No Leo. I walk to the bathroom. I look behind the white shower curtain. No Leo. Now, I am starting to worry. My heart is beating fast. Boom, boom, boom. Leo is a good cat. He never runs away. Where is my fat orange cat? Let us stop for a moment. Let us take a little break. How are you doing? Are you worried about Leo? Do not worry. Everything will be okay. You are doing a wonderful job listening right now. You are understanding a whole story in English. That is amazing. Be proud of yourself. Take a deep breath. Let us continue the search. I walk into my bedroom. I look under the bed. It is dark under there. I see some old shoes. I see some dust. But I do not see an orange cat. I open my closet door. My clothes are hanging nicely. My bags are on the shelf. No Leo. Then, I look at the bedroom window. The window is open. Just a little bit. Oh no. Can a fat cat jump out of a window? Leo is very heavy. He looks like a basketball with legs. But maybe he saw a bird. Maybe he chased a yellow butterfly. I look outside the window. I see my small garden. I see green grass. I see red flowers. I do not see Leo. I call his name again. Leo. Leo, please come home. I am not angry about the flower. I am not angry about the blue pillows. I just want my cute cat. Suddenly, I hear a small sound outside. Very softly. Meow. Is that Leo? I listen closely. I hold my breath. I hear it again. Meow. It is coming from the front garden. I quickly run down the stairs. I open the front door. I look near the big green tree. No cat. I look near the trash can. No cat. Where is the sound coming from? I look at the house next door. My neighbor has a big yellow car. The car is parked near the street. I look under the car. I see two bright green eyes. The eyes are shining in the dark. Then, I see orange fur. It is Leo. He is sitting under the big yellow car. He looks very small and very scared. His beautiful orange fur has white flour all over it. He looks like a powdery donut. I walk slowly to the yellow car. I sit on the ground. I do not want to scare him. I speak softly. Hello, Leo. Come here, boy. It is okay. I am here. Leo looks at me. He wags his long tail. He walks out from under the car. He runs to me. He jumps into my arms. He is very heavy, but I hold him tight. He purrs very loudly. Purr, purr, purr. He rubs his wet nose against my cheek. I am so happy. My cat is safe. We walk back inside the house. I look at the living room again. The white flour is still everywhere. The feathers are still flying. It will take a long time to clean this house. I look down at Leo. Leo looks at the mess. Then, he looks up at me. He says, meow. It is like he is saying, good luck cleaning, human. What a crazy cat. Wow, look at the time. 30 minutes is finished. Time flies when we are having fun. You listen to a whole story about a missing cat and a big mess. That is incredible. You did not translate every word. You just saw the white flour, the open window, and the big yellow car in your head. Your English brain is getting stronger every single day. In the next episode, we have a new adventure. We will go outside. What will happen next? We will find out in episode 3. Thank you for listening today. You are a superstar. Keep listening, keep smiling, and I will see you next time.
Bye. Bye.